This video is going to show you how to create scalable parentheses in Apple's Keynote pages and numbers when you're trying to insert an equation. At the top of the screen, if you look on the left, you can see I've got a fraction and I've got the two parentheses that are basically just shift 9 and shift 0. And then on the right, you can see how the parentheses are as tall as the math. So this is going to tell you how to do that. Scalable parentheses, it's pretty easy. It's backslash left parentheses, any math you want to put in there, and then backslash right parentheses. So once I open up the equation editor, Command Option E, your screen will look like this with a dialog box. And I'll put the math in. Of course, we talk about not being this big. And you can see how it works. I've got my fraction of curly brackets, distance, and then curly brackets and time. And down below in the preview window, you can see what that's going to look like.